In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your Google Chrome browsing session so you can click a button later and then get straight back to this session. This is incredibly useful if you have a set of tabs that you want to access very easily. It's incredibly useful if you're using this for research, or if you have the same tabs that you need to open, maybe for like a workflow for an online business. So what you need to do is hold down Control and click on every tab that you want to open within the click of a button, right? So every tab that you want to save, you hold down Control and you click on the tab. So we'll click on number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. And this is all while holding down Control. After we've done that, we can then right click on the last one. We can then add tabs to a group. I'm going to then click New Group, and what we can do, I can call this like YouTube Research, right? Because it's about YouTube. We can then give it a color. I'm going to put red for YouTube, and then we can go ahead and click on Enter. Now what we've essentially got is a button which opens up all of these tabs. So let me prove it to you that it does work. So I've opened a new window on Chrome. What we can do now to access these tabs is we can go to the three dots in the top right hand corner. We can then go to Tab Groups, and here you'll see your group that you've created. It's called YouTube Research. We can go ahead and hover over it. Then we can click Open Group, and it's going to open every single one of the tabs that we added to that group. And it is that simple. If we then wanted to hide these tabs, we can click on the YouTube Research button again, and it's going to hide them. This is great for saving browsing sessions and creating groups for important websites.